So here's why I've been editing with 2 extra keyboards for the past 4 years. This 20 key Razer keyboard allows me to map out 20 of my most common used macro functions. So we have import, export, unlink audio, set to frame size, apply default transition, ripple delete to last playhead, delete, ripple delete to next playhead. I use top tail editing, undo, redo, copy paste, fast forward, rewind, and then nest and loop footage. These $10 bumps last 6 months to a year, and they let me feel the keys I'm pressing. You've got to keep the command modifiers, Control, Shift, and Alt. Those will help you modify the tools, which I keep on my mouse. On the mouse, I pretty much just set up these 8 tools on the bottom 2 rows. On the top row, I have set in point, set out point, render into out, and then export frame. There's 5 profiles for each controller, so you can have all your favorite functions mapped out for Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Photoshop, Lightroom. The biggest downfall is the software updates and the fact that sometimes these don't work right if the programs aren't running in the background. There's been several times where, you're in the middle of editing and a software update comes up and it just won't work until you update it. Total cost on both these was about $180. And I spent about 8 to 10 hours setting it up and going through what functions I use most often and mapping them in places where it will be easily remembered to me. I'd say within a month I was editing 20% faster. And just some quick math here, let's say you spend 20 hours a week editing. So that's saving you 4 hours a week, which is just over 200 hours a year. It's well worth the less than $200 it cost and 10 hours to get into.